Hello everyone. Create your own invincible pedestrian character in your FiveM server with this powerful script. This Lua script allows you to create a fully customizable NPC with a specific model, location, weapon, and behavior. The script uses various functions provided by the game's scripting API to create a character that is invincible, has infinite ammo, and can even perform drive-by shootings. In this video, we'll walk you through the code step by step, explaining each function and its purpose. You'll learn how to create a pedestrian character, set its attributes, and add it to the player's group. We'll also show you how to walk the pedestrian into the driver's seat of the player's vehicle and set it to perform a drive-by shooting. This script is perfect for players who want to enhance their gameplay experience and create custom NPCs with unique attributes and behaviors. Join us in this video and learn how to create your own invincible pedestrian character in FiveM. Vector 3. This is a function that takes three arguments, x, y, and z, and returns a 3D vector representing a position in the game world. getHashKey. This is a function that takes a string argument representing a model or weapon name and returns a hash value representing that object. The hash value is used by the game engine to load the object into memory and spawn it in the game world. requestModel. This is a function that takes a hash value representing a model and loads it into memory. It is often used to ensure that the game has the necessary resources to spawn an object. createPed. This is a function that creates a new pedestrian character in the game world. It takes several arguments, including the model hash value, the location, and the orientation of the character. setPed component variation. This is a function that sets the clothing variation for a pedestrian character. It takes several arguments, including the character reference, the component ID, which represents a specific piece of clothing, and the variation number. setPed prop index. This is a function that sets a prop, accessory, for a pedestrian character. It takes several arguments, including the character reference, the prop ID, which represents a specific accessory, and the variation number. giveWeapon_to_ped. This is a function that gives a weapon to a pedestrian character. It takes several arguments, including the character reference, the weapon hash value, the ammo count, and whether the weapon is hidden or not. setPed infinite ammo. This is a function that gives a pedestrian character infinite ammunition for a specific weapon. It takes several arguments, including the character reference, whether the character has infinite ammo for the weapon or not, and the weapon hash value. setEntity invincible. This is a function that makes an entity, such as a pedestrian character, invincible, which means it cannot be killed. addBlip for entity. This is a function that adds a blip to the game world, which can be used to represent the location of an object or character. It takes several arguments, including the entity reference and the blip sprite and color. setPed as group member. This is a function that sets a pedestrian character as a member of a specific group. It takes several arguments, including the character reference and the group index. setPed relationship group hash. This is a function that sets the relationship between a pedestrian character and another entity, such as the player. It takes several arguments, including the character reference and the relationship group hash. getVehiclePed is using. This is a function that returns the vehicle that the player is currently using. taskWarpPed into vehicle. This is a function that warps a pedestrian character into a specific vehicle. It takes several arguments, including the character reference, the vehicle reference, and the seat index. taskDriveBy. This is a function that instructs a pedestrian character to perform a drive-by shooting. It takes several arguments, including the character reference, the vehicle reference, the target entity reference, and the shooting pattern. setPed config flag. This is a function that sets a configuration flag for a pedestrian character. It takes several arguments, including the character reference, the flag ID, and whether the flag is set or not. If you're interested in Lua scripting, FiveM, and other related topics, we've got a Discord server just for you. Our community is dedicated to helping each other learn and grow as Lua scripters, with a focus on FiveM and other game modding projects. On our server, you'll find helpful resources, code snippets, and tutorials to help you take your Lua scripting skills to the next level. You also have access to a friendly and supportive community of fellow scripters who are always happy to help and answer questions. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or an experienced Lua scripter looking to connect with like-minded individuals, our Discord server is the perfect place to be. So come join us, share your knowledge, and let's learn and grow together. To join our server, simply click the link in the description below. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. We love creating videos and sharing them with you, and we hope you're enjoying the content. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. We post new content regularly, so subscribing is the best way to stay up to date. We also appreciate it when you like and comment on our videos. It helps us understand what you're enjoying and what we can improve on. Plus, it helps others discover our channel, which is always a good thing. So, if you like what you see, please consider subscribing, liking, and commenting. We really appreciate your support, and we can't wait to keep creating and sharing content with you. Thanks for watching.